Havana. Good morning, guys. Last full day in Havana, and this is my outfit for breakfast right now. And then now we headed to the beach. Playa. Everybody's been trying to take us to the beach since we got here, so finally going to make it to the beach. It's Varadero, something like that. So let's go for brekkie. Keeping it neutral this morning. Nude, well, pinky nude. I'm about to get into a regular car taxi. Good morning, guys. We're back at Cafe Arcangel, and it's just the two of us today, having brekkie super early. Let me close that. It's about 9:43. This is the earliest we've woken up like this entire trip. Not really. We've gotten ready. Yeah, and out. Yeah, so which is really good. Yeah, like I told you guys, we'll be headed to the beach later, but before that, we are here eating. So yeah, we're here eating. I've been ordering the same stuff because it says there, like, I love the pizza and the script. So delish, everything. And I'm having guava juice. Can't remember the last time I had like good guava juice. So can't go wrong. It's full. Guys, our food is here. We got frutas. I got my croissant, eggs. It's gotta go. Yeah, I was. Yeah, that's gonna look better. Can't wait to eat. This is what goes on behind content creation. So, yeah, so much better. Now you see the food all over the sudden you want to go? Yeah. Oh, thank you, man. Your glasses, Miguel. Cafe. Hey. So it's that. We're about to go eat. I love this croissant. Headed to the market, and it's a lovely day in the neighborhood. Saturday today. Everybody's out here working, chilling. Because we know we're around like this. Duck in the background, looking so cute. And back in Times Square. We're going to the shops where we got these sandals. How cute, we're matching. And of course, ice cream, because that was the best ice cream ever. Got them for little booty shorts. This is the best ice cream in town. I had the guava and la dulce de leche yesterday. It was so delish. So let's find the name. This is the name. Smoothie Dulces. I guess that's it. And then that's your boy. Gracias. Today I'm doing guava. Fresa. Yes. And guava. Honestly, the best ice cream in town. the mango and the guava today, and then we're right here by the market. We're gonna see if I can find some other good deals, some other stuff. So excited. All the classic cars are lined up, waiting for people to go in. Going back to the house. It's about to be 12. Our driver's picking us up to go to the beach. So, such a beautiful day. We are at the beach, guys. The water is beautiful, but it's so crowded. There's literally nowhere open. Here at the local spot for a Cuban sandwich. It's called Fabio. Fast. There, yeah. We are back at our favorite spot, La Paella. Look at those drinks, though. $2.25. Can't go wrong. Trying a pina colada tonight because I didn't realize pina colada was a big thing over here. Guys, we almost got arrested today. Alright, I'm gonna have to come back to you later. Hello guys, I realized in my Cuba vlog I told you how I almost got arrested, but I completely forgot to tell you the story because we went out to dinner and then it was like very loud music and I ended up like forgetting. So what happened is in Cuba there is this long highway. It's called the Malecon. It's like by the sea. And there's like a massive like seawall that just, before I go on every trip, I always save like photos and for inspiration to recreate. So I have like this photo saved on my folder and I wanted to recreate them. And then in the picture, the girl's wearing white with her hat, I believe, and then she's standing on the rocks and everything. I was like, this is where it's going to look like that. Well, it was a last night too. Yeah, it was a last night and last evening in Havana, Cuba. So we decided to go down by the Malecon, and we've asked the locals. Everybody say do not go down, it's illegal, you can fish there, you can't go down. And we're like, are you sure we can't go down? Everybody kept telling us no, don't do it. So me, I have like a career in like climbing walls, climbing trees since I was a kid. Again, I grew up in Haiti, so I spent my entire life as a kid being a tomboy, stealing mangoes, jumping over the fences of other people, climbing trees, you know, stealing avocados and all that stuff. So I am kind of like used to, you know, this kind of stuff. So I look at the wall, I was like, that's fine, I can climb it. So we keep walking to see if we can find a level where the rocks were high enough so I could just like jump down so it's not like a big gap. And then I just so happened to see there is this little hook in the middle. I was like, oh my god, this is going to be so perfect. I could just put my feet down on the hook and then just like go down. I'm a master climber, so I just know how to just like look for a little spot to put my fingers, my hand, my feet to just like climb stuff. Drinking a gin and tonic, which is perfect for the summertime. It's so hot, it's so humid today. Again, I keep getting off topic, and I am eating some Twizzlers, the bite and sip Twizzlers. So they are technically like straws. Getting off topic, but yeah, this is like, you know, so good. You just like take a bite and then you use them as a straw, which is pretty cool. As I was saying, so we found the spot. Deb and I, Miss DadouChic, which you've seen on my all Cuba vlogs. So she sat, you know, on the wall, on the seawall, while I go down. I went down real quick, and then I'm there posing, you know, taking photos, blah blah blah. And then I'm like, yeah, I'll take some more, and then, you know, I keep going back and forth. All that happened so fast, honestly. And sometimes things feel like it was forever, but it was actually less than like 2 minutes that I was down there taking photos. And then like 5 minutes and Deb told me, hey, I see a cop car coming, hurry up, before they get closer. I could see them. And then, oh my god, I never jumped so fast. Oh, the other thing that happened, as I was looking over the seawall, my earrings fell on the rocks. So it was like the perfect indication that I had to, well, I didn't have to go down. It wasn't a big deal for the earrings. I could just left them. But I really wanted to take those photos. And also, I'm in Aries, so I am like an adventurous person, and I'm a little bit crazy, so I kind of like need somebody who's crazy just like me. Well, probably not. I probably need somebody who would tone down my craziness, because I can be very impulsive. So Deb told me, hurry up, let's go, the cop is coming, you know, the police is coming. I was like, oh my god, I never like climbed a wall so fast in my life. Again, I'm so used to it. It was just like in less than like literally 30 seconds I was over the wall. And you know, I had taken the photos, and then I just picked up my bag and I'm like, Deb, let's go. So we kept walking, and then long and behold, we saw the cop going in the same spot we were in, like looking over the seawall to see if we were still down there. I'm pretty sure one of the locals probably called the cops on us, because there was no way for them to know, you know, to check, you know, for people to be down there. And yeah, and then we just like kept walking, and I'm like, let's go, let's not look behind. So we kept walking further away, and yeah, and then this is the story on how I almost got arrested in Havana, Cuba, for jumping over the seawall by the Malecon to take some photos. Would I do it again? Absolutely. Again, do not do as I did, because I am used to climbing walls. I could just get in between fences and all that little stuff. It was like a dangerous thing to do in a, you know, in a foreign country where I don't speak the language, especially Cuba. On top of that, it's not like we have the best relationship with them, you know, as Americans. But so yeah, that's the story. So what is the craziest thing you've ever done for your pictures, for some pictures, guys? Do let me know. I would love to know what's the craziest thing you've ever done. It is definitely the craziest thing that I've ever done for a picture. Not think of anything else that I've done that was as crazy. I just knew that I wasn't gonna get caught. You know, I'm like a master climber, and I feel like I can talk. I don't know. I feel like I can talk my way out of like most situations. I feel like that would have been like an easy one. But again, be very careful when you travel abroad, especially if you don't know the country. I don't know, for some reason, like a country like Cuba, I felt like I was home for some reason. I felt like I was just home and nothing was going to happen to me. But do not do that, please. Please, I'm begging you guys, please be careful. I'm not coming on here condoning this kind of behavior. You shouldn't do crazy stuff like that. Yeah, don't do that. It's not worth it. It's really not.
Did you try in Mexico?
I don't think so. Just pina colada is the business. Wow. And this lemonade. This place does make the best drinks. We got stuffed tostones. Looks so good. Shall we try this and see? My food is here. I've got pescado la paella with rice and beans. Can't wait. What I love about this, you can order this every day. It comes out differently, which is good. It depends on the chef. This is Havana at night. It's so vibrant at night. It's literally the same during the day and during the night. Everybody is still out enjoying their lives, enjoying themselves. There's like a line of people just sitting here, I guess just using the internet and car driving. For somebody who lives in New York City, this feels like New York City on steroids for me. So yeah, this is great. I just love the vibe of the city so much. I love it. And where we're staying, it's like on Main Street, so it's like, and all the lovers are out. Morning. So my favorite spot in this house is this little balcony. I just love this little spot so much. So this is saying goodbye. Headed to get breakfast. Out on the balcony, my favorite spot in this house, in this little apartment, because that's where the internet is, and that's where all the action is. Focus. And let me show you my outfit for today, which is not really an outfit. Here's a tour of the balcony. From here you get to the bedroom. As you can see, 3 little beds. Cute. I was sleeping over here. This is a massive closet and this big ass mirror where we could see everything. Guys, this cafe is so cute. We are back for breakfast. This is our last morning in Havana. Sad to be leaving, but I miss New York. I gotta go back home. And this is the menu. Going to order the same thing that I order every day. It's the Archangel breakfast right here. Where is it? Yeah, that one. There's this one over here. I love it. Look at the decor. So cute. Look, and I'm sewing clothes in my old Sanger. This is what I learned to sew on because my mom used to have one. Bringing back all the memories. I used to wait until she goes to the market and borrow her sewing machine to make my clothes. So cute. Breakfast is here. This is our last morning. We got my croissant, mango juice.